Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and today we're going to be looking at the Ring outdoor camera. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up with the app and get everything working. And it pretty much is the same for all the different models. So if you don't have the outdoor camera like I have here in this video, well, that doesn't really matter. I'm just going to be showing you how to set this up on the Ring app and how everything works. So let's get started. We're going to unbox this. Go ahead and peel all this plastic off, all the packaging. And this is the Ring outdoor stick-up camera. This is a battery-powered camera. But if your camera is one of the plug-in models, well, this is all going to be the same. We're going to go ahead and put this in the unlock mode by turning it that way. We're going to pull the bottom off, and we're going to go ahead and pull out the battery. All right, and this is the Ring battery. It has a small micro USB port on it, and included in the package is a USB charging cable, as you can see right here. So to charge the battery, you're just going to plug this cable in just like that, and plug this into a USB port. Now, I will say it does take quite a while to charge it the first time. It'll actually take probably 5 or 6 hours to get this fully charged. But of course, if yours isn't the battery model, then just go ahead and skip that and plug yours straight in. So, when you do plug this in, you'll have a couple of indicator lights right here. You'll have an orange and a green, which indicates it's charging. And once it's fully charged, you'll have all green lights. All right, well, let's go ahead and put the battery in here. I have already charged this up, so it is ready to go. We're in the locked mode now. All right, there is a blue light indicating power, so we are good to go there. All right, so this is where we go over to the phone app. Okay, so now we're going to open the Ring app on our phone. Now, I assume you already have a Ring account, but if you do not have a Ring account, you'll need to get that set up. But once you get into the app, we're just going to simply scroll down to the very bottom of the app, and we're going to tap on Set Up a Device. All right, now we're going to actually scan the QR code, which comes in the paperwork with the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and just scan that now. Okay, it is scanned. Although the QR code is included in the paperwork with the camera, you can also look on the back of the camera on some models, or you can look right here on the bottom of the camera inside the battery compartment, and you'll see the QR code. We're going to go ahead and continue here. Okay, this is where you choose if it's an indoor or an outdoor camera. This is an outdoor camera. Okay, and we are actually going to be using a battery for ours, but you pick whatever applies to your situation. Okay, we don't need to worry about this. We're just going to hit continue. Okay, we're going to go ahead and say that the camera is in fact turned on. Stickup cam is on. And we're going to give it a name. Now, I'm not sure where I'm going to put this camera just yet. So we're just going to call it Custom. And I'm going to call it Backyard 2 because I've already got a backyard. All right, Backyard 2. I have removed the film. Okay, I do have my password, so we're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. This is very important. And you do need to be near the device. The device is flashing blue. All right, now it's going to do a connection between your phone and the camera. Now it's going to add to the Ring app. There you go. Now it's going to add your Wi-Fi. And you're going to put in your password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Just a moment.
Now it's going to go ahead and put it on your Wi-Fi at your house. And we are done. That's all it takes to set up one of these cameras. There's a tutorial here that shows you how to mount it. I've also made videos on that, so check out my other video about how to actually mount the camera. I'm not going to worry about the motion, but you can go in here and you can check all of the motion settings. I've also made videos about that. And we are done. Now the camera will be listed here, Backyard 2. Now it is installing an update. So once that is done, which could take up to 15 minutes, the camera is ready to use. You can go ahead and mount it, put it where you want, and all is set and all is ready. That battery should last you a few months, and then you can recharge it and you're good to go. And as always, thanks for watching.